Hey there, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Northwest Craftsman. Today's episode is going to be just a little bit different. I wanted to give you guys kind of an inside view to everything that's going on here in the Pacific Northwest right now. We just had one of the worst ice storms in living memory for a lot of folks here. The farmer that works the property that we're on said he's never seen one that's been this bad or lasted for this long, and we got about an inch of ice on everything that we have because of the freezing rain. So I wanted to give you guys a quick glimpse of what that looks like and what the damage of freezing rain can do to your property. Okay, here we go. So if you don't know what freezing rain is, essentially it's where you get liquid rain coming down, but it is cool enough at the earth to where it just freezes on contact. And so you get stuff like this where your grass literally just freezes solid. And it's already starting to thaw because it's getting a little bit warmer now. But you literally just get a coating of ice on everything. And that includes trees, which suffer pretty badly from all of the excess weight, which is even worse than snow a lot of times. Exactly what I was talking about. But it literally just builds up on absolutely everything. Here are the roses. Here's our bay tree. It's got even more that came off in the back. I'll show you what the backside looks like. It literally just destroyed the tree. So I don't know what exactly we're going to need to do with this when it thaws. We'll have to take a look to see what all's remaining, what we can keep in, what needs to go, or if the whole tree needs to go. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you guys some of the shots of everything else that's going on and just put it to some music and let you guys enjoy it. So I know this is a little bit different than what I normally do, but I thought you guys might appreciate it and see some of the weird and interesting weather patterns that we get here in the Pacific Northwest. All right, enjoy. appreciate it. I hope that you enjoyed this little break from the woodworking. We're currently out of power and I don't have lights in my shop so that I can't do much woodworking there. But stay tuned for our regular woodworking. You'll see more videos of just everything that we're doing around the shop. So thank you guys again for joining. I really appreciate it. Stay safe, stay warm, and have a great time. Bye.